Hello everyone, welcome to this month's mystery reveal. I'm very excited for this one because this is a theme I've never done. And I think it was like me and Jess just kind of like talking back and forth, and this is where we ended up. But I wanted to do a couple like different themes this year of stuff that like it's just something I haven't done because I know sometimes like you're like, oh, how many planner girl theme kits do we need? This one I'm pumped about. It has kind of like light pop culture references, but also if you don't know the pop culture references, they blend in. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first is this kit is no longer available. If you are looking for it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. I will link it down below, and I will also have the date for next month's mystery, which what is next month? I don't even remember. This is for September. Oh, October is a good one. And a fun foil. Well, not a fun foil, but is it a new foil design? Or revamped? Yeah, she's pretty. Okay. Completely different vibes from this one. Completely. So, let's go ahead and get into it. Here is this month's mystery kit. So, I wanted to do kind of like a Western theme. And Jess was like, what if there was like Westworld elements? And basically those are just the people, but I think the people are like epic. But also if you don't know Westworld, I only watched season 1. I don't think it's like too themed. Does that make sense? It's kind of like royalty where it had Disney kind of like sprinkled in, but if you didn't really think about it, it wasn't super Disney. So let's go ahead into this. There is a fun foil color this month of copper, which is great for the fall if you don't want to use this with it. I also have another like foil color like suggestion if you want to pick up something else for it. But let's go ahead into it. There is an extra this month, and this is in the new format. So lots and lots of boxes. Let's get into it. So here is the front. I love these colors. I love the fashion people in this set. She is gorgeous. You have the dress, some playing cards, all different like kind of like fashion-y elements, a train, kind of like a little sheriff outfit, and this gorgeous, gorgeous horse, and then just this kind of like little Western town. I am obsessed with this. I don't know exactly when I want to use it. I might use it for like an anniversary of living in Austin, or like save it for a birthday, save it for Father's Day. I don't know, kind of giving me September vibes, but also kind of giving me like transition between winter and like spring, summer. So cute. Obsessed. I love these like brown colors. I personally love this with the copper. I think it just kind of like pops a little bit, but I think like the thing with the foil bundles is you can use them with anything. This is in the sparkle format, and you could use this with a different kit very easily, especially because spooky season's coming up and this will match so many things. I feel like copper / like orange is very, very used in my October lineup. Y'all will see. So if you wanted to use a different foil with this, my suggestions would be matte bronze would look phenomenal with this. I think silver would look really great with it. I think matte silver would look nice with it. And then also there's this one from Plana Hannah that's like autumn tie-dye. I think this would be so fun because it kind of brings in like the silver, copper, brown tones. And this is the cowboy underlays. I got this because I thought this would be kind of fun to incorporate in. But I am just obsessed with this. I think it's so, so, so pretty. Lots of itty bitty little decos in here. I love this. You could put some quotes over it. You could kind of leave it blank. There are so many boxes in this because there isn't any like recolored fashion people. So there's just boxes galore. So you have your extra scene here, right? Then you have the glitter headers. I love these patterns. I think they're so pretty. Oh, when would you use this? I think also like a Father's Day alternative. This is so cute. I love this bottom washi pattern with the like rum and alcohol. And then you have the extra cake box here. Because I was really thinking like Father's Day, a birthday, something like that. This would be perfect for. Here is the page with the extra color and the ombre heart checklist. I asked y'all last month if you want to see this change up to just that like basically this in the future, and 98% of you said yes. So I think that starts in like March. That's how much we have pre-printed, y'all. Pre-printed. And I think it's like, I think we're cutting March. Like I think everything else prior to that is done. I'm pretty sure. Carson, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. So March will have this here instead of this. You have your doodles. Also, these are great to have on hand colors, like really like a unique colorway. And then you have the extra fashion tall box here. And this is a character from Westworld. But again, she just looked like a badass fashion girl. And then you have the hand holding the fans, the train scene, and then some cowboy boots there. So cute. So many boxes, like I said, because there is not as many fashion people as normal. So love this. Love everything about it. Let me know when you plan on using this in the comments down below. I'm very excited for a very unique theme, something that I don't have in any of my planners. And I'm actually going to be like really like hard to pick. Like, do I use the copper with it to kind of bring out those like orange tones? Do I do like the autumn tie-dye? Do I do matte bronze? Do I do matte bronze, matte silver? Because I'm honestly like a huge fan of mixed metal. Like a huge fan. Cyber Monday is going to be a mixed metal, and y'all, I haven't seen it in person yet, but I'm excited about it. It's on the way. Let's go through the mini kit. The mini kit is more affordable option, but I did throw in, oh, did I say that you got, hold on. I just threw this in as an extra because I loved this color, but I loved all of the like browns. I think it's gonna make a really pretty spread, kind of like monochromatic, but not. But you could totally bring in this like teal color to brighten it up, especially with that additional color in the kit. But it does come in the mini and the ultimate. I threw it in there. And then the mini kit also has the matte and copper. So here are the full boxes. You have the same deco page. You have the same glitter. This is the mini kit page, bottom washi, and then see like with that orangey color in there. Oh, it's just so pretty. And the extras of the foil, if you wanted to grab more of them, will be coming to the shop soon. So they're literally perfect for October. So use it with the kit, save it for later. You got options. That's why I like keeping, for the most part, our foil like unthemed, but I do have like some collabs and also just some designs from us that will be coming in the future, like next month is like more specific, but also you can probably use it with a ton of other kits as well. So that'll be next month. But I hope y'all like this kit. I am very excited about it. Again, it is no longer available. We don't bring our mystery art back to the shop for a year, but if you're looking for it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. There is an ISO post where you can post like that you're looking for it, and then if you are going to be selling it, you can post it like with it covered, so you're not spoiling it for anybody who doesn't watch the videos. But yeah, check out the buy sell trade group. There's also lots of really cool stuff in there. Like, I love looking through and just looking at the older like sets that y'all have. So fun walking down memory lane. But that is everything. I hope y'all like this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.